I actually have guests in my units.
Yes.
Right now.
Yes.
And although there's power, that one of the heating units in one of the apartments is broken. It's blowing cold air no matter what you set the thermostat to.
Yes.
And maintenance is fixing it, right? The guy's literally there now because I saw him on Vivid. But I had a guest book, and I just told him straight up, like, look, he just instant booked, and 6 people sent an inquiry saying, does your place have power? I had to let them all know, yes, it has power, but there's no heat. And because it has power right now, doesn't mean it will in 45 minutes. So if you book now and you get a refund before you check in, I'm totally willing to do that. But if you book now, knowing the power could go down, I'm not going to give you a refund after you check in, because you now know what's up and you're taking your chances just like everybody else.
Yeah.
But this guy booked and then extended another day, knowing there was no heat.
Yeah, because he can deal with the no heat. No electricity is really tough for us to deal with in the way that we live today. No electricity and no internet. No internet is really, really challenging. And I mean, I've had people in our units, like when the water would go out, we got the following message: the water's out, but the internet is working, so we're okay. Okay. Thanks for letting us know. So understand, there is a hierarchy of importance.
Yeah.
And heat is not on that hierarchy for most people, because we're like, I can put on a blanket. I can do something about that. I can't do much if there's no electricity, and I can't do much if there's no internet. Those two things, it's like, if you can keep those two going, you're gonna be pretty much okay. They will accept it and deal with it, because that's better than the alternative, AKA none.
But he paid standard rate. So the point of me saying this was that I thought, wrongly obviously, that if there was no heat, people would not book. And clearly that's not the case.
Correct. In fact,
in this case,
guys, for all you in Texas who are having this situation, once this is resolved, here's what's on the flip side. A bunch of houses, pipes are going to burst, and their houses are going to flood. That's what's going to happen. And that family is going to need a place to stay for another 30, 60 days. Yeah. We serve a good purpose in emergency situations.
Yeah.
We really do. So, yeah.
What is going to cause the pipes to burst?
When water freezes, it expands. And if it's stuck in the same place in the pipe and they're metal and expanding, cold also makes metal more rigid, which makes it much more breakable.
Exactly.
Expanding pipes press more breakable metal equals broken metal.
Wow.
That's what's going to happen. And they don't have the infrastructure. They didn't plan it.
Pipes.
So it's coming.
Most houses in the last 5 years, though, here, all the underground plumbing is all PVC tubing.
Well, those will be fine.
Yeah.
The others, not so much.
Well,
I know it's coming. I know it's coming. I'm just telling you, hey, it's coming.
Last question. Does PayPal, do you have to be with them for 90 days before you're eligible for a loan?
That's a good question. I don't know the minimum length of term.
I checked and I'm not eligible, even though they sent me an email saying, hey, check if you're eligible. And also, do you know if they do a soft pull on your personal credit?
On the working capital, they don't do any pull whatsoever.
Okay.
So it doesn't affect your, it may be a soft pull. I've looked, I've not seen.
No, it's not a soft pull, not on the working capital or the other one that they have.
Okay.
Loan builder? Okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
All right. So, but yeah, I've never seen evidence of it, but so I've looked.
Okay.
But I don't know if there is a minimum length. I don't know what that is, but I do know this. There have been times where I've looked multiple times in the same day. Maybe in the morning it says no, but in the afternoon it says yes. And I've asked their underwriters, why does that happen? They're like, we don't know. We just keep telling people to try it again. Okay. Great answer. I'll take it. So
Okay.
that's what I can tell you.
Okay. Yeah, I need more units. Now I actually can see why you keep saying need more units.
Good.
Like I wasn't arguing with you, I just couldn't see it before. But when I got 6 people going, hey, do you have, I'm like, I don't have any more space.
You're like, I wish I did. Dang. Yeah. Yes, I understand. And that's also why I'm saying the pipes are going to burst. And those are going to be longer stays. And the insurance company is going to be paying. And the insurance company overpays.
Cool.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.